Chapter 8 is comparing quantities, and the first topic is ratios. Now, what is the meaning of a ratio? Ratio means we have to compare two quantities. For example, if we want a comparison between two quantities, let us say 2 meter and 10 centimeter, we want to find out what is the ratio of 2 meter and 10 centimeter. The first thing that we have to ensure is that the unit has to be same. At the moment, the unit given here is meter and the unit given here is centimeter, they are not same. So, we are going to convert the meter into centimeter, or we can convert centimeters into meters. So, here we have to know the conversion, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 2 meters is going to be equal to 200 centimeter. Now, once we have converted the meter into centimeter, we note that the first quantity is in centimeter and the second quantity is also in centimeters, and therefore, now we are in a position to find out the ratio. So, the ratio is going to be 200 is to 10, or we can write it as 200 upon 10. Both are equivalent. We can either put the ratio, this two dots in between the two quantities, or we can write upon. Now, if you look at this 210, this is not in the simplified form. We can simplify it by cancelling by 10. So, 10 goes once and 10 goes 20, or we can simply cancel the zeros. So, what are we going to get? We are going to get a ratio of 20:1. And please remember that when we are calculating ratio of two quantities, there will be no units. Ratios are always independent of units. So, I can say the ratio of 2 meter to 10 centimeter is 20:1. Can we consider another example? Let us say we have to find out the ratio of boys and girls in a class, and let us say there are 40 boys and the number of girls is 10, and we want to find out that what is the ratio of boys and girls. Now, here there are no units. Here there are 40 and there are 10. So, when there are no units, the comparison can be done easily and directly. We can say the ratio of boys to girls is 40:10, or we can cancel the zeros, it becomes 4:1. So, in this kind of questions where there are no units, we can compare it directly without any conversion. What about the next example where we have a quantity, let us say 2 kg and the other is 30 grams. Now, here if we want to find out the ratio of 2 kg and 30 grams, we find that the first quantity is in kilograms and the second quantity is in grams. So, I will not be able to compare it at the moment since the units are different. So, we have to convert the kg into grams or the grams into kg, and for that we have to know that 1 kg is equivalent to 1000 grams. So, if 1 kg is 1000 grams, 2 kg will become 2000 grams, and once we convert this as 2000 grams, then we can compare it with 30 grams because both the quantities have been expressed in grams. So, therefore, if we compare 2000 and 30, we can cancel the zeros, and therefore, we can say the ratio is 200:3. So, this is the procedure for finding out the ratio between two quantities. Make sure that the units are same, and once the units are same, then we will reduce it to the simplest form and you will get the ratio of the two quantities.